Workload planning is another tool that you might find useful. In this section of Schoology, you'll be able to see how many assignments your students have due on any given day. You'll notice here I've marked the threshold at 2. So if they're within the threshold or within 0 to 24% above, it's going to be the lighter color. 25 to 49%, it'll be the orange, and then if it's 50% above the minimum, then it's going to be the red. Now, these students are all in my training courses, so when my teachers that come through training create assignments, that's why there's so many for each. But what's nice is that I can click on any one of these assignment days for a student, and I can see what the assignment is and for what teacher they've been given that assignment for.